Now let's talk about AI pins. AI pins are the specific types of pins which are not generated based on some kind of images you have on your website. For instance, what you saw here, where it just took this image and used it in some predefined templates. AI pins are different, they are unique, they are highly dynamic, and they are costly. So on the starter plan, everyone has only like 50 credits. I hope I can increase it soon, but for now it is what it is. You can just choose the page. If you want to, you can specify the specific overlay you want to have and also some additional settings. But for now, let's go with the default one and we can just press generate pin. And let's go. So it would go to this like pina colada page, understand what it is about, come up with the perfect title, description, and alt text. And then also generate highly unique and highly dynamic AI pin. So you can see best ever homemade pina colada. You can see that here is the title, here is the description, here is the alt text. It automatically chose the board, and here I can just like press auto schedule and it goes schedule. It works like this. You can also increase the number of pins, so let's increase it to 5 so that we can see like how dynamic and how different they can be. We can also specify a few settings here. Here you can see that the font is rather like creative. We can keep it everywhere. It's rather creative, and you can see perfect pina colada cocktail recipe, perfect pina colada recipe, best ever pina colada recipe. So you can see that they are all very dynamic, very unique, very eye-catching titles, descriptions, they all generated, and you can just like select all, quick schedule. And then the way BlogToPin works is it try to schedule them out within your existing settings. So for instance, here we have gap between same URL pins as 15, schedule ends on June 5th, and because of this, it can only fit 3 pins. But if we adjust the schedule that, hey, we can repeat the same URL in like 5 days, then on 7th there will be 1 pin, on 12th another pin, on 17th another, etc, etc, etc. Let's go through a few more examples. Let's choose another one. I know recipes whiskey sour, and go with the formal one. Oh, sorry, again 5. I'd spend a lot of money here. Also choose the number of pins to be only 1, and let's go with another one. For instance, I know recipes vodka tonic. We can also choose the style type here. By default, it's auto. You can also specify it to be, for instance, like collage. In this case, there would be like collage, like a few images, a few different images inside one pin. So you can see that the overall, like how it looks, the scene, the fonts, they look much more formal. So if you want, you can use it. And let's just try one more with the collage. Generate pin, and that's it. You can also, what you can also do is you can also like download specific pins which you like, and let's wait till the end. You can see that there is some kind of a collage, very interesting vodka images, some recipe, etc. So it's really unique, and that's why it costs so much. So when you are satisfied, you can just like, I don't know, select all, quick schedule. Once again, because of the way it works and your settings, it would not be able to schedule everything. But if you want, you can adjust to have like, I don't know, 5 pins per day gap. Then you press confirm schedule. You go to the calendar, and you can see that it's all perfectly scheduled for you. Another important thing is that as you go here, you can see they are all scheduled, and now you can also like filter them by available pins, which you can schedule, which were not scheduled before, and already scheduled pins. If you want, you can of course also top up more credits. And lastly, there is also a bulk rate option where you can select a few pages. For instance, let's choose these 3 pages and generate 1 pin for each of those 3 pages. Let's hit generate 3 pins. It would also go with the formal style, with the collage one. Let's take a look at what it comes up with. I had to reload. Something gone wrong. Maybe like some caching, but you can see that it generated pretty interesting pins. You can just like schedule them within 1 click, and that's it. And also, if you don't like something, you can just trash it, and that's it. So yeah, see you in the next video.